Hi again. Yeah, very strange times at the moment. The country, the UK, the UK is I still call it partial shutdown. From what I can gather from the news yesterday, I can still currently work at the moment. So we've come here to do this, but yeah, so you can see I'm in the middle of sort of nowhere really, no one's near. So as you know, I work with my other half, so we're in the same household anyway, so you know, we have no risk to anybody out of the household. Apparently the person here is actually self-isolating, so with let me just get this key down. Can't do it one end. So yeah, we haven't got to see him. I've told him that we don't want it feels so horrible to say it, but he said we want zero contact with anyone. So we did one job earlier, and the only contact, well, no contact really, the neighbour was putting up washing out about, I don't know, 30 metres away, so you know, we're well away. So I can get some fuel later. That's the only thing I've got to do. I've got a big can. I'm hoping they're going to let me fill the big can, so that means I won't have to go for quite a while. So we've managed to get a shopping order, which is good because I do not want to go to supermarkets. So I think we've got to wait till Thursday or something for that, which isn't too far away. But I'm going to go in here, get on and get the big mower out. I'll show you it. Oh, I'll try and start it. Yeah, I'm done doors now. Here's a big mower. I have to have easy start, always needs that. How the battery stayed up from last year. I haven't checked the diesel. I have got some. I'm not sure they have. To be honest, there don't look much in there. So I shall get that filled up in a minute once I've got it out. Yeah, she started up. A bit low on water, but I just topped it up. A bit low on fuel, and I've just put some in it. The starter's a bit stuck, we managed to click out in the end with a jump start on it, so we're up and running to get this done. Yeah, so I'll get cracking. we're done this one now. I did go down the outside there, but the mower a bit of pain again because it overheated. It always overheats every time. I did forget actually initially to clean the dust shield thing, but even after I did that, I overheated again. So it's definitely got problems. I think, to be honest, since I've been doing this job, mower's always had problems, but I did get it done. Look over there, quite a lot longer there. You saw me doing some down there, but actually there's a lot that grows twice as quick as it does down here. So none of this was too bad down here. I have got it all cut now. So that's that first cut out of the way here. Yeah, so I'm going to go home now. I only done a couple today, but they were two sort of quite well, long ones, and had to be got down, and that's all done. So